Mega Latias EX box. So today we went to our local game store here, and then we found this box, guys, and I directly falling in love with the promo, to be honest, and also the big jumbo card, the latias. So we decided to buy one box and let's see. We got 4 packs. Destiny Rifle, the first pack, and then I think 2 Mega Evolution. Yeah, 2 Mega, and then 1 Journey together. And then the most special thing, Jumbo card. I don't know, for me it's just special thing. I like it, the Jumbo card. And I have a plan in the future to collect some of them. Yeah, it's beautiful. I think it's 3D, right? And then, and also we got a promo, also latias. It's reserved by my boyfriend, so yeah. He likes to collect the promo anyway. First pack, guys, Mega Evolution, let's go. Gold card, still hoping for a gold card, of course, always. Is it Episaurs? We pulled it 3 days ago, I think. Yeah, Episaurs again. Happy. The second pack, let's go. Oops. Okay. Share it together. Wow, what is this? Lake on Rock. It's beautiful. Last pack magic from Destiny Rifle. Mewtwo, guys, come on. Chat Titan EX.